day guys, I'm John Henry from Collector's Reviews and I'm here to review this gorgeous, beautiful boxed set of the Hunger Games Camouflage Edition. So for starters, Hunger Games is set upon a dystopian world of Panem in which Katniss Everdeen lived. Katniss, the protagonist, volunteered to become a tribute in her place with her sister's place. A tribute is a person who shall play in the game, and each district shall have 2 tributes, 1 boy and 1 girl. So the Hunger Games is basically like a game to the death in which all tributes must kill each other, and the only one tribute who survived the game shall be proclaimed as the victor. So that's it. Now let's unbox this one. So to open this one, we had to get a scissor. So we'll just have to skewer it with scissor and open it up. Okay. Now let's open it. And we had to use it again, the scissor. So it's kind of pretty hard. Scissor is not working. So this is, by the way, the Camouflage edition of the Hunger Games. The original version is here in the back. It's the international hardcover edition. The Hunger Games with the black cover theme, Catching Fire with the red and gold color theme, and this Mockingjay blue color theme. So this is a pretty different from this one. It's designed different, gorgeous. By the way, it's a paperback edition, and I think it's came from the UK version. So let's see in the oh, it's from scholastic.com.au. So this one came from Australian version. Okay. This is the Hunger Games Camouflage Edition, the first book. Its design is like a camouflage, literally camouflage, with a design of Mockingjay logo here and there, and at the back it's also the same with the quote, memorable quote from the first book: "May the odds be ever in your favor." The second book, Catching Fire by Suzanne Collins. Its logo with the Catching Fire logo, and it's like a khaki short, like a design from a khaki short. So this one, remember who the enemy is. Then the third book, The Mockingjay by Suzanne Collins. So this one, if we burn, you burn with us. So, oops. It's gorgeous. I'm almost speechless. It's beautiful. By the way, you can get this one from Amazon. Just search for the keyword Hunger Games Camouflage Edition boxed set. So that's it. Thanks guys.